All of this means that the Giants knew Brian Daboll was their guy before they even gave the minority a chance, a narrative that's all too familiar in the NFL, in society, everywhere. Which is why I want to play a game. So you're about to see qualifications for two different candidates. First candidate, the last 4 years as offensive coordinator, ranked in the top 5 in offense twice, 24 offensive points per game in that time, 0 Super Bowl appearances. Now for candidate number 2. Funny enough, started as an OC the same year, 4 years under his belt. His offense is ranked in the top 5 3 times, and the 1 year they didn't, they were 6th. His offense has put up nearly a touchdown more per game, and he went to 2 Super Bowls in that time and even helped to win one. The first candidate is Brian Daboll, just hired by the Giants, the man Bill Belichick thought he was texting. The second candidate is Chief Offensive Coordinator Eric Bieniemy, a minority candidate that still somehow in this crazy coaching carousel doesn't have the title of head coach. We often use the term all rules are meant to be broken when talking about elementary school kids running around during recess. Yet here we are, applying it to billionaires and alleged grown men. Many thought the Dolphins firing Brian Flores, pardon the pun, would bring in a bigger fish to take his place. That fish was named today, Mike McDaniel. Do you know who Mike McDaniel is? Because I sure don't. He spent 1 season as an offensive coordinator out in San Francisco, but he is a minority candidate. And while Miami is replacing one minority for another, does that mean a more deserving and accomplished one deserve the boot? But as we've seen with this story before, and at this rate, we'll probably see it again, that's the reason Brian Flores took a stand. It's the reason he's suing the NFL. It's the reason he's jeopardizing his chances at becoming a head coach ever again. And if a man giving up everything he's worked his entire life for doesn't tell you there's a problem, then maybe, just like the NFL, you need to wake up. That's it for The Lounge. We'll be right back.